Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best black metallic paint is probably one of the most versatile and visually striking finishes available for automotive enthusiasts and DIYers alike, offering a deep, lustrous sheen that catches the light with an almost liquid-like quality, transforming ordinary surfaces into head-turning masterpieces that exude sophistication and a touch of automotive artistry, making it a popular choice for those seeking to elevate the aesthetic appeal of their vehicles or projects with a premium, eye-catching look that stands out from the crowd. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Universal All-Surface Metallic Spray Paint. Introducing the Universal All-Surface Metallic Spray Paint. It works on virtually any surface you can imagine, from wood and plastic to metal and more. Its oil-based formula provides excellent adhesion, preventing rust and resisting fading and chipping. Enjoy a long-lasting finish that stands up to the elements. This fast-drying formula is dry to the touch in just 30 minutes. Plus, each can covers up to 15 square feet, making your projects efficient. Protect your projects from rust and corrosion with this durable coating. It ensures enhanced longevity for all your painted items. Achieve a beautiful, rich, and shimmering metallic look. It adds an attractive, eye-catching finish to any surface it's applied to. What we like. This one offers incredible versatility, working on almost any material you can think of. Its oil-based formula ensures a long-lasting finish that resists rust, fading, and chipping. If you're looking for a reliable all-rounder for various DIY projects, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The black metallic paint has a smooth finish that looks very professional. It applies evenly and provides excellent coverage in just one coat. The metallic flecks in the paint catch the light beautifully, adding a unique depth to the color. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Stops Rust Metallic Spray Paint. Introducing a spray paint that delivers a brilliant, shiny finish. It contains actual metallic flakes for a truly eye-catching look. This versatile coating protects both exterior and interior surfaces. It's perfect for wood, metal, concrete, masonry, and more. Its oil-based formula provides a durable protective coating. It offers excellent resistance to abrasion, fading, chipping, and harsh weather. Enjoy superior rust prevention with this powerful formula. It ensures your surfaces stay protected for longer. Get the job done quickly. It dries to the touch in just 20 minutes and covers up to 15 square feet. What we like. Boasting excellent resistance to weather and corrosion, this paint is built to last on both interior and exterior surfaces. The inclusion of actual metallic flakes gives it a truly brilliant, shiny finish. If you need a durable coating that can withstand the elements and provides a dazzling look, this is the one to consider. What people say. The paint has a beautiful metallic sheen that looks very high-end. It covers surfaces evenly and provides a smooth, durable finish. The black color is deep and rich, adding a sophisticated touch to the project. Number 3. Pouring Masters Midnight Black Metallic Pearl. Experience the magic of fluid art with our premium acrylic pouring paint. It's pre-mixed to the perfect consistency, flowing smoothly for beautiful color movement. This versatile paint is ready for all your favorite techniques, from dirty pours to flip cups. Create vibrant, flowing patterns on any surface you choose. Easily pair it with your preferred additives like pouring medium or silicone oil. Achieve professional results by adjusting flow and enhancing cell formation. Highly pigmented and formulated for fluid art, this paint offers consistent, hassle-free use. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Explore an extensive range of 84 dynamic colors. Mix and match them to create unlimited custom combinations for all your fluid art projects. What we like. Formulated with a perfect honey-like consistency, this paint is designed for effortless flow and smooth color movement in fluid art. It's compatible with various additives and offers professional quality for stunning results. If you're an artist passionate about fluid art techniques like dirty pours or flipped cups, this is your go-to for vibrant, flowing patterns. What people say. The paint has a beautiful metallic sheen that really catches the light. It applied smoothly and covered the surface evenly with just one coat. The black color is deep and rich, providing a sophisticated finish. Number 2. EASTUP Premium Metallic Black Acrylic Enamel Wheel Paint. Introducing our premium wheel paint, designed to give your wheels a stunning, glossy finish. Make your vehicle stand out with a look that truly shines. Engineered for exceptional toughness, this paint resists chips and cracks. It ensures your wheels maintain their great appearance for a long time. Say goodbye to fading worries. Our advanced formula maintains its vibrant hue, keeping your wheels looking fantastic season after season. Get back on the road faster with our quick-drying formula. It ensures your freshly painted wheels are ready to go in no time. Specially designed for aluminum alloy wheels, this paint is free of fluorine. It's a choice that protects both our environment and your health. Please note, this is a metallic black with shimmering flecks, not a pure black. Check the color chart to ensure it's the perfect shade for you. Explore our wide selection of colors, from classic metallics to bold hues. You'll easily find the perfect shade to match your style. What we like. This paint delivers a stunning, glossy finish with exceptional durability, resisting chips and wear to keep your surfaces looking great. It's also quick-drying and fade-resistant, ensuring your project stays vibrant. If you're looking to refresh car wheels or other automotive parts with a brilliant, long-lasting shine, this is an excellent option. What people say. The paint has a very nice metallic sheen. It covers surfaces well and provides a deep, rich color. Dries to a smooth, durable finish. Number 1. Modern Masters Me 700 Black Pro Metallic Paint. Discover the exquisite beauty of our Black Pro Metallic Paint. This 6-ounce collection offers a sophisticated satin finish for your decorative projects. Enjoy a smooth, satin sheen with our water-based formula. It's designed for easy application and beautiful results on interior surfaces. We care about your home and the environment. This paint features low VOC content, making it a healthier choice for indoor use. Unleash your creativity with its intermixable properties. Achieve custom shades and unique metallic effects to perfectly match your vision. Applying it is a breeze, whether you prefer using a brush or a roller. Get professional-looking results with minimal effort. Trust Modern Masters for quality and innovation. Elevate your interiors with the stunning Black Pro Metallic Paint. What we like. This water-based option is low in VOCs, making it a more environmentally conscious choice for interior projects. Its intermixable nature allows for custom color creation. If you prefer a decorative metallic finish for indoor use and appreciate the ability to blend colors for unique shades, this paint is a great pick. What people say. The metallic finish is stunning and truly elevates the look of any project. Application was smooth and even, providing excellent coverage with just one coat. The paint dried quickly to a durable, chip-resistant finish that has held up exceptionally well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.